Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna be show you how to fix sign out is not available due to restrictions. So guys, if you are facing a problem that sign out is not available due to restriction, so guys, today in this video I'm gonna be show you how can you do this. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to just simply open the settings, scroll it below and then tap on screen time, scroll down and then tap on content and price restriction, and then turn off this toggle and then close the settings and again open settings and tap on your Apple account and check if the problem is fixed or not. If you're having still this problem, then you have to just simply scroll it below again, tap on screen time again, scroll down, and here you can see this locked screen time setting. So simply tap on it and enter your screen time passcode and turn off your screen time, and after that guys, open your Apple account again and then your problem will be fixed. So in this way you can easily fix your problem. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If the videos helps you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.